Welcome back to Polton's Projects. Today we are going to be showing you this awesome planer cart. It's got wheels, it's got some pegboard, just a blank spot, and some awesome drawers. Alright, let's jump into the build. So I'm using some 2x2s here to build like the structure for the box. I cut these to length, adding the height of the wheels that I was using, and then came up with it so it just sits right above my assembly table, so I can use that as a outfeed table for the planer. So here I am just putting on the wheels. I got those from Harbor Freight, like $3.99 a piece, and all this MDF is kind of scrap, and it makes this box really heavy, which is, I think, good because with the drawers on there, you can pull the drawers out, all of them out at the same time with fully loaded, and this thing's not going to tip over with the weight of the planer and the weight of this box. So at first you see me, I tried to use some spray paint, and MDF will just suck that stuff up, so I got some just regular acrylic paint and just went to town on that. I think it's cool to kind of match all my shop furniture, so I'm using here is the Sublime Green from Hobby Lobby. And I'm not really a big fan of pegboard, but and it sure is easy to put some stuff on there when you need it, so that's why I went with that. And here I just screwed it on. Kind of show you how heavy this thing is. It was a lot of work to get over there, and then, like I said, I just slid that thing right over on there, and it worked out like a champ. I'm not getting any racking from it when I move it around. The wheels have locks on it, but this thing is so heavy that it doesn't need to be locked to be able to use. I lost the footage of making the drawers, but all I did was just regular construction of the drawers, and then I used old skateboard trucks, and then I used flooring for the door fronts. Well, if you guys made it this far in the video, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I just really appreciate you guys watching this far, so even if you guys don't do that, you're still all right with me. If you can see, the garage is looking pretty cool. I'm going to be doing a whole video on that, of doing the floors and everything, but I wanted to kind of, build a project and get a video out just to kind of break the silence for a little while. I haven't been making videos for about 2 years, so I wanted to jump back in, and I thought this would be a great opportunity, a great video to do it with. So appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next video.